welcome back everybody. Episode 16 of DaHomie that samples. We're back at it. I already got a little loop going. I was going through finding what instrument and all that I was gonna use. Found this guitar, flamenco guitar sample. Alright, welcome back everybody. Day 2 again. We got Rock Bottom. That's what I titled this beat. We're just gonna continue adding onto it and see what we got. So that's it for today. That's all we got. I didn't think I needed too much for the beat. The vocals definitely added a lot to it, and just fixed up the drums a little bit, just got them tighter. But yeah, it was a good beat. Had a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed listening to this. This is a little different energy than the last one. You know, making different things. We're seeing what we come up with on the spot. So yeah, that's the end of this one. Thank you guys for watching again. Subscribe, like the video, share, and we're gonna keep them coming. This was episode 16. Thank you guys. Peace.